Hey, here we are at Kolob Canyons. We're going to be doing a little bit of backpacking this weekend. A little bit different than what I normally do on the channel, but I want to share this experience with you because backpacking is a lot of fun. So let's go check it out. Well, we are making our way up to Lee Pass Trailhead, and there's actually a bit of snow up here that I was not expecting. The high for the St. George area is in the low 70s this week. And so I was thinking, okay, this will definitely be nice. It's going to be a little bit more interesting than I think what I was expecting. Driving up in here, though, this is definitely an area of Zion's National Park. This is awesome. And there's something unique about the Zion National Park area. Just all the rock, all the color, all the formations. Just love it all. All right, here we are at the Lee Pass Trailhead. We're going to go down this trail about 5 miles to our campsite, which ironically is campsite number 5. It is down the Laverkin Creek Trail, and it's all downhill today. So, well, it's a little bit of uphill, but all downhill today. So it should be nice and easy. Let's go get to our campsite. Well, I am not even a mile into this trail yet. No, I am already coming up into snow. A little bit wet. So that awesome view is not very far into the trail, and we're actually going to come around this whole big hillside here to the other side where the arch is. I've got all these mixed feelings going on right now because I have this beautiful scenery behind me, but it has just been constant downhill, and I know I have to go back up tomorrow. My pack's about 30 pounds. It's not that bad. But check out this scenery. It really is beautiful out here. I don't know how well this will show up on camera, but starting after campsite 2 gets to be a little more muddy on the trail. Check that out. We've got running water, but there's an advisory out right now, bacteria or something, in all the water here in Zion's. So you're not supposed to drink it, not even filtered or anything. It's all pack in your own water. All right, we are here, site number 5, somewhere up that way. Let's go check it out. Yeah, this looks like home sweet home for the night. Campsite 5 happens to have a nice little rock bench and a rock table, or if you had a couple of you, 2 rock seats, right? And so I've got here my stove. Lost my spoon. So I've got my stove. So let's get this fired up and get some water boiling. And this is what we're cooking up. A Knorr's rice side cheddar broccoli. This is what we're cooking up right here. Cheddar broccoli for tonight. What I'll do here is pour the boiling water in this bag, slide that in there, fold it over, lean it up against the rock, let it sit there for like 10 minutes or so. All that will soak in, and it will be a tasty dinner. All right, dinner's simmering away. Had myself a little snack. The stove is snuffed out. I'm going to go down to the river, kind of hang out down there for a little while. Well, good morning. It is about 7 a.m. It's starting to get light enough that I can start putting everything away. Let's head up to the arch. And we're off from our campsite number 5 right there, heading up the trail that way. Let's see if we can get to that arch. It's about a mile, I think it's a mile and a half actually that way. By the looks of it, we're going to be following this stream all the way up to the point that I cut off anyway to the arch, probably even up beyond that. All right, here's part of the stream right here. That water's not moving very fast and has a little depth to it. What do you think? Could I catch some fish from in there? Should I have brought my fishing pole? Maybe. Just kidding. Right up here is actually the turnoff right there. This is close to stock. Lee Pass, 6 miles back. Hop Valley, Kolob Terrace Road, good 7 miles. And only half a mile to the arch. So, let's go. All right, I want you to put in the comments down below how many years before this becomes one of the mighty slot canyons. Now, they say that the journey is just as important as the destination, and that is definitely the case here because there is so much to see along this trail. It's a lot of fun getting all the way up here. And as we come to the end of the trail here, we have signs saying it's not recommended to travel any further because you've got the arch right there. And tell you what, this water over here is probably the freshest spring water. Thank you so much for joining me on the hike to the Kolob Arch. It was a lot of fun getting here. This arch is totally worth taking this trek to. It is a little bit of a hike, but I know you can do it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and we'll catch you on another adventure. See ya. Hey, you're still here with me. Me too. Oh, the end of this trail is rough. And I still got like 0.8 miles to go uphill. This trail is chewing me up and spitting me out. Whew.